Hi, so this is our crappy washing machine. We keep it because it was a housewarming present when we bought this house. And it works and it cleans our clothes, so we keep it. A few months ago, it started leaking water into the drum, even when the machine wasn't turned on. So what I did was, I replaced this god-awful, disgusting part, gross, with the new part, all by myself today. And notice, it is not leaking. And we have water, everybody. This just goes to show you that you don't need to hire a repairman to do it yourself, ladies. Come back anytime for more tips and hints. Thanks. See you later.